This video focuses in closer on the two different types of norms. Now remember, norms are an element of culture. They are defined as the shared rules of conduct that tell people how to act in specific situations. Some rules are more formal and important. These are referred to as mores. And other rules are generally more lax, and they're known as folkways. Things to know about folkways. Folkways are defined as norms that describe socially acceptable behavior, but do not have a great deal of moral significance. So things like open the door, hold open the door for the person behind you, don't pick your nose, make sure you wash your hands if you go to the bathroom. These are norms, accepted behaviors, but they don't have a great deal of moral significance. They usually outline common customs of everyday life, and when you break a folkway, it usually results in a reprimand or an informal punishment. These are not life or death situations. Because of that, some nonconformity to folkways is permitted in a society, meaning sometimes we do allow people to break folkways because it does not endanger societal stability. Mores are another type of norms, and a more refers to a norm that has great moral significance. When I say moral, I mean having to do with ethics and big picture ideas of right and wrong. Now, if you break a more, then whatever behavior you're engaging in, it threatens societal stability, and that's because these mores are important for making sure that a society continues to run smoothly. Therefore, if you break a more, then you're going to see some severe punishment, definitely some more severe than you would encounter if you broke a societal folkway. The most serious mores are formalized into laws. And laws is a word we're all familiar with, but in sociology, it's defined as written rules of conduct enacted and enforced by the government. It's important to remember that just because there's a law reinforcing a norm, it doesn't necessarily mean that that norm is a more. There are some laws that reinforce folkways, one example being how it is illegal to park in a handicapped spot. If everyone who was not handicapped parked in the handicapped parking spots, you wouldn't really be threatening societal stability, right? But it is a law. It's a law supporting a folkway.